direct in off the last owner I've dealt with for a number of years now. Lovely couple sold me this BMW 320d M Sport GT automatic. What a fabulous car, one of the best colours out there. Estoril Blue Pearl. £6,780 worth of factory fitted options. The car is absolutely gorgeous. It really does stand out. Beautiful low mileage example. It is just fabulous. Some of the options include the panoramic glass sunroof, Harman Kardon stereo, the 19-inch M-spoke alloy wheels, M-Sport brakes, Xenon headlights, heated seats, headlight washers, full Dakota leather, just to name a bit. So let's take you all the way around it and show you exactly how nice the car is. Looks great from any angle, it really does. Just look at it gleaming away. The car's beautiful all the way around, there's no dents, no scratches, no scuffs. Electric tailgate, just look at that cavernous boot in it. It is huge. Split folding rear seats with through load facility. Bit more storage under there. Plastic closure. Front and rear parking sensors. Sun protection glass. And those wheels do set the car off. All of them in great condition. No damage to those. All the bodywork is just gorgeous. No major dents, scratches or scuffs anywhere. Again, the front wheel. Matching Pirelli tyres all the way around. Xenon headlights. And again, all across the boot, the bonnet of it, the front end. Nothing major at all, just beautiful. Of course, had the headlights as I mentioned. Upgraded headlight power wash. Again, down the sides. Just get a sneak preview of those upgraded brakes, the M Sport brakes. The panoramic glass and tilt sunroof. Pillarless doors. And again, all the trims in great condition. No damage there. Lots of legroom in there. Absolutely huge space in the back. Of course, you can fold the seats down, give you an even bigger boot. Full Dakota leather. Again, all in great condition. No damage to the upholstery at all. Non-smoker's car. No horrible smells in the car. Again, the electric windows, electric mirrors. All the interior sport seats. Again, all the upholstery in great condition. And of course, as I mentioned, the tilt and slide sunroof. On touch. Slide it all the way back, or just leave it on tilt. And if you get the sunshine too much on your head, simply close the blind. Great stereo system on the vehicle. It's got the BMW professional navigation system as well. All the parking sensors show exactly where the vehicle is, make it easy for parking. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connection, of course you can check the full service history on the vehicle. Nice clear layout. Of course you can personalise exactly what you want to see on the screen and how you want to see it. Split screen or the full screen, or the satellite navigation or the media. Nice clear layout. The mileage of just 28,140. 28,140. It's a 2016 on a 16 plate. Adaptive gear change, cruise control speed limiter, Bluetooth phone, voice activation, leather sport steering wheel, great value for money. Stereo CD, dual zone climate control, heated seats, can get the suspension just right, can adjust the suspension with the drive modes. Just get the car exactly how you want to handle. It really is a fabulous car to drive, 190 brake horsepower, great performance. Of course, Harman Kardon upgraded stereo system. Just a beautiful example. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPR jacked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deals. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. If you fancy 2 o'clock in the morning, reserve it, because so many people miss out while they think about it. So if you want it, reserve it, and don't forget our full money back guarantee. Should you reserve it and come to collect the car or see the car and you feel it's not as described, we'll give you money back, no questions asked. Simple, easy, hassle-free way to buy your used car. We do the videos to show exactly how nice all our cars are. Nothing is left to chance. This is why many dealers don't do a video, because the quality of their vehicles. We try to find the highest quality hand-picked cars, and none of these are sourced from car auctions. Like this vehicle, both from a couple I've dealt with for many years, as I mentioned, but privately. Specialist Cars based in Stoke on Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. Read our raving fans reviews and you see why customers come back to us time and time again to either buy a car or sell their nice quality cars to us. Always at the end of the phone, happy to help. 01782 822 700. If you want this beauty, give us a call. Phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.